Looking for the perfect hammock straps to hang your hammock? Look no further. In this video, we'll be reviewing the best hammock straps on the market. These straps are designed to be strong, durable, and easy to use, ensuring that your hammock stays securely suspended wherever you choose to hang it. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor adventurer or a casual backyard lounger, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's take a look at the best hammock straps out there. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Number 1. Foxelli Hammock Straps. The Foxelli hammock straps are a great addition to any camping or hiking trip. The straps are made of high-quality, durable materials that ensure the safety and comfort of the user. The straps are 20 feet long, making it easy to find the perfect spot to hang your hammock. They are also adjustable, so you can adjust the height and tension of your hammock as needed. One of the best features of these straps is how easy they are to use. The looped ends make it easy to attach your hammock, and the straps themselves are easy to wrap around trees or other objects. Additionally, the straps are lightweight and easy to pack, so you won't have to worry about adding extra weight to your gear. Overall, I highly recommend the Foxelli Hammock Straps XL for anyone who enjoys camping or hiking, and wants a comfortable and safe place to relax. They are durable, easy to use, and lightweight, making them the perfect addition to any outdoor adventure. Number 2. Wise Owl Outfitters Hammock Straps. The Wise Owl Outfitters hammock straps for trees are a fantastic addition to any hammock setup. The heavy-duty straps are made from durable materials that can support up to 400 pounds, making them a great option for larger individuals, or for those who want to add extra stability to their hammock experience. The set includes two 10-feet-long straps, which is more than enough length to wrap around most trees or other sturdy anchor points. The straps are also easy to set up and adjust, making it simple to find the perfect height and tension for your hammock. One of the best things about these straps is that they are environmentally friendly. The straps are made from non-stretch polyester, which means they won't harm the trees they are wrapped around. Overall, the Wise Owl Outfitters hammock straps for trees heavy-duty are an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their hammock experience. They are durable, easy to use, and eco-friendly, making them a great option for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Number 3. MalloMe XL Hammock Straps. MalloMe XL hammock straps are an excellent accessory for any outdoor enthusiast who loves to relax in a hammock. These straps are made of high-quality, durable materials that are designed to support the weight of your hammock and keep it securely in place. The XL size of these straps allows you to set up your hammock in a wide variety of locations, giving you more options for your next outdoor adventure. One of the best things about these straps is how easy they are to set up. Simply wrap the straps around the trees or other sturdy objects, clip your hammock to the straps, and you're ready to relax. The straps also feature multiple attachment points, allowing you to adjust the height and angle of your hammock to your liking. Overall, the MalloMe XL hammock straps are a great investment for anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors in a hammock. They're durable, easy to set up, and provide a secure and comfortable way to relax in nature. Number 4. The GEEZO Hammock Straps. The GEEZO hammock straps are a great addition to any camping or outdoor enthusiast's gear collection. These straps are made from high-quality materials that are both durable and reliable, ensuring that your hammock stays secure and safe while you relax. The straps are easy to set up and adjust, allowing you to quickly find the perfect position for your hammock. They're also versatile, as they can be used with a wide range of hammocks, making them a great option for anyone who owns multiple hammocks or likes to switch between different styles. One of the standout features of these straps is their strength. With a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, you can trust that they'll be able to support you and your hammock without any issues. Overall, the GEEZO hammock straps are a great investment for anyone who loves spending time outdoors and wants to enjoy their hammock safely and comfortably. Number 5. Nature's Hangout Hammock Straps. Nature's Hangout hammock straps have garnered positive reviews for their exceptional quality and ease of use. Made of durable, weather-resistant materials, these straps are strong enough to support a considerable amount of weight, ensuring users' safety and comfort while enjoying the outdoors. The adjustable straps can be easily wrapped around trees of different sizes and shapes, making them highly versatile. Moreover, the straps are lightweight and easy to pack, making them ideal for outdoor activities like camping and hiking. Another notable advantage of these hammock straps is that they are environmentally friendly and do not cause any harm to trees or the environment. They offer a sustainable and eco-friendly solution to hanging hammocks, allowing users to enjoy nature without leaving a negative impact. In summary, Nature's Hangout hammock straps are an excellent product that is highly recommended for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, durable, and eco-friendly way to hang their hammock. Thanks for watching my video. That's all from my end. I make helpful and quality videos daily. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, please do check out my description. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Stay updated with our new reviews as it will make your life much easier. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new videos and information. Thank you.